Welcome to Ideal Solutions tutorial on the advanced features of VIP meeting room technologies. In this video, we will guide you through our process, starting with understanding and taking our clients' specific requirements to ensure a tailored solution for every need. Once we have gathered the necessary requirements, our team designs a state-of-the-art meeting room. This includes planning the audio-visual systems to create an immersive and efficient environment for all participants. After the design phase, we move on to the execution of the project. Our skilled professionals ensure that every detail is meticulously implemented, transforming the design into a functional and sophisticated meeting space. One of the key elements in our meeting rooms is wireless collaboration. This feature allows seamless connectivity and interaction, enabling team members to share content effortlessly and enhance productivity during meetings. Retractable screens are another highlight, providing flexibility and convenience. These screens can be easily adjusted, ensuring optimal visibility and engagement for all attendees. Interactive touchscreens equipped with control panels significantly enhance the meeting experience. These technologies facilitate seamless collaboration by allowing participants to share and manipulate content in real time, providing enhanced engagement as touchscreens encourage active participation, making meetings more interactive and dynamic. The advanced technology in our solutions helps our clients to gain the benefits of smart systems, which allows the users to manage various aspects of the meeting room using a tablet or mobile phone, such as lights, curtains, air conditions, screens, and various devices with just a few taps, enhancing the overall experience. Our meeting rooms are equipped with high-quality microphones, speakers, and cameras. These elements ensure clear communication and video conferencing capabilities, making remote collaboration as effective as in-person meetings. Finally, the meeting room fit-out and furniture are carefully selected to complement the technology. This ensures a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing environment, creating a space where decision-makers can focus and collaborate effectively.